At just 5 ounces, this little squirrel can't store enough body fat to hibernate. So he has to find food all winter. But once he leaves his friends, he could freeze. When the temperature falls to -30, only the most superpowered squirrel will make it home alive. He needs food, and fast. Large eyes drink in the faint light. He sees in the dark, as well as we see in the day, and his acute sense of smell helps him to locate food on the forest floor. But a mushroom is only 4 calories. He needs 20 to survive the night. If racing up and down in search of food burns more energy than he can find, this night will be his last. But this little lightweight has a secret. He can fly. Northern flying squirrels have a furry wingsuit stretching from wrist to ankle, called a patagium. And to land, he turns his tail into an air brake. Sailing between the trees, he finds enough food with minimal effort. But now this ninja of the night is far from his friends. If he doesn't find them soon, he will die. He sends out an emergency ultrasonic message. Most predators can't hear it, but his friends can. And when they reply, he knows exactly where to go. Now they must head home together to warm up before it's too late. With more than 20 different dens scattered through the forest, it could be hard to keep track of where everyone's going. But a recent discovery has exposed an even more spectacular hidden talent. Flying squirrels glow. It's believed that their glow-in-the-dark bellies act like beacons, so they can see their friends at night to where they're safe and warm.